Speaking English is fun para hindi halatang pagtitripan maya. What? Lagi na ako nawa-what zone. Ano bang ginawa ko mali? Game na. Comeback is real.
I used to believe.
Leche Garab, ako naman pagtitripan mo. Guys, wala pa akong pinagtitipan. Lagi na lang ba? Ay na lang ba lagi niyo isipin niyo sa akin?
We were burning on the edge of something beautiful.
Quarter note, half note, or whole note, eklavo emoji.
Something beautiful.
Guys, like zone na naman ako.
Selling a dream.
Wait. Oh my God, let me love you ba yan? Ay wait, patanong pala. Basta yun, get the point. Oo na, alam ko na. Leche lang tingin niya sa akin.
Smoke and mirrors keep us waiting on a miracle. On a miracle.
Lae, let me love you nga, uma.
Say go through the darkest of days, having to heartbreak away.
Ako lang vocalist dito, walang best guys. Walang best. Send ko pa ng emoji na yan. Kala mo nakakatawa, FO na to.
Never let you go, never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride.
Sige, She, ikaw na kumanta.
Driving the edge of a knife. Never let you go, never let me down.
Niliteral mo naman. FO na talaga, ayoko na.
Don't you give up.
Di ko na alam masusunod. Okay lang yan. Konting exposure lang naman nabigay sa'yo. Back to my show.
Nah, nah, nah.
Ano ba meron dyan sa quarter or and a half or a whole or a 1/2, 1/4 chicken? Note na yan.
I won't give up. Nah, nah, nah. Let me love you. Let me love you. Don't you give up. Nah, nah, nah.
Stop na. Matapos yung lahat ng oras na pinagsamahan natin, titigil na lang ba natin to? Sige, fine.
I won't give up. Nah, nah, nah.
Lae zone. Only Batangueños will understand this shit.
Let me love you. Let me love you.
Ayan na mga tunay na kaibigan. Ito kanilang mamatay na naka-capslap. As in now na. Bakit pa mamaya?